How's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another weekly episode where I respond to your questions and comments. I was supposed to make this episode last week, but the Powerbeats Pro dropped and I really had to cover that first. But anyway, the video turned out pretty well. Got a lot of views. What's that? 128 dislikes? Wow, that's a tragedy. Anyway, let's put that aside and move on to our very first comment of the day. Commenting on my Powerbeats Pro video, which you can watch right here, you know, the one with 128 dislikes. Rude but True asks, so if I'm a Huawei person, what do you recommend? I have Mate 20 Pro, so I like perfection. Can you help me please? I'm a bit confused. Thank you. Okay, for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro or for basically most Android smartphones, I would recommend something that uses the aptX codec because then you will get the best possible latency performance when you're playing video games or watching videos. I would normally recommend the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earbuds for that because it's got one of the best sound qualities in a pair of earbuds that I've heard. It's got a great set of features and decent battery life as well. Plus it looks pretty good. Otherwise, you can consider going for a pair of wired Bluetooth earbuds because apparently a lot more of them support aptX compared to true wireless earbuds. Okay, so next question. Sevas Misaki asks, what the actual did you just say? You're listening to music and you're expecting to listen to the train? What kind of next level dumbassery is this? Low. Then just lower your sound, it's an earphone. Okay, you know what? Normally you would have a point, but when you're going for a pair of earbuds like the Powerbeats Pro, you're essentially going for a pair of earplugs because these are supposed to be noise isolating, right? So when the train announcement comes through, you're not likely to hear it above the train noise. And couple that with music, all I'm saying is that it would have been really great for a pair of noise isolating earbuds like the Powerbeats Pro to have ambient sound pass-through. Is all I'm saying. Next comment. Party asks, mother you got on a tank top on under a zip down hoodie? I know, right? Okay, wait. I can explain this. I can explain this for everyone, right? It's really hot and humid in Singapore, so that's why I like wearing tank tops. The thing is that I'm also very self-conscious about my armpits. So, hence the hoodie. Enough said. Commenting on my Audio-Technica SR30BT headphones review, Simonka Kraftaka asks, these are Sennheiser HD 4.4 BT in terms of sound quality, comfortability and functions. Okay, if you are big into videos, you watch a lot of videos and you play some video games, I would recommend the Sennheisers because they support aptX, so you get better latency performance and decent sound quality and battery life as well. But if you mainly listen to a lot of music and you want to have something that lasts a freaking long time without charging, the Audio-Technica's SR30BT is what I would recommend. It's insane battery life. Insane. Way better than most other wireless headphones in the market, including Marshall headphones. So it really depends on what you're going to use it for. In terms of comfort, I think they're about the same. Maybe the Sennheisers might be a little more comfortable because its cushions are a bit fatter, but other than that, it's not very much different. However, one thing you gotta take note of is that the SR30BT does not have an audio jack. So if ever the battery runs out, which is quite unlikely because its battery life is insane, you cannot plug it into your device directly. So this is something that you gotta take note of if you decide to go for the SR30BT from Audio-Technica. Okay, next question. Santanu Saka commenting on my best custom settings for 1000XM3 headphones video. I might have to paraphrase this question, okay? Hi, just for one day, I'm using my new 1000XM3. Updated to latest firmware 4.1.1, but I'm disappointed in the noise cancelling feature. In my bedroom, I can hear the sound of the fan on my wife's voice, which is low but audible, even when noise cancellation is on staying position. So he's using the ambient sound, or rather the adaptive sound control feature of the 1000XM3. Whereas per many review videos, they are saying that nothing is audible on the streets or any public place. If so, how could it be possible that I could hear all these sounds in the room? it is supposed to block any sound from outside greatly. Am I missing something as a new user? Kindly help. Okay, Santano. Under the adaptive sound control settings in your Headphones Connect app, check if your staying position noise cancelling is set to maximum. And number 2, check if the focus on voice checkbox is switched off. So you don't want it to focus on voice, and you want the noise cancelling set to maximum. If you have done all that and it still isn't cancelling a lot of noise, you need to understand that noise cancelling is not really designed to block out everything. The common misconception is that noise cancelling technology is supposed to cancel all noise. That is not true. In fact, if you're paying extra money for a pair of noise cancelling headphones, you're really investing in a pair that can cancel a lot more lower frequency noise than your regular pair of headphones. That's why when you're standing beside a busy road and you put on a pair of noise cancellers, it may seem like you're cancelling a lot of noise, because a lot of that noise really is lower frequency engine noise from cars. A lot of the mid-range and upper frequency noises cannot be cancelled by the electronics. So what's really happening is your headphones also acts as a sort of earmuffs, passively blocking mid-range and upper frequency sounds from your ears, which is partially effective but really no different from using your hands and pressing them against your ears. Which is why even with headphones like the 1000XM3, you can still hear the sound of the fan and your wife's voice, unfortunately. Next question. Commenting on my Can Jam Singapore live stream, which you can watch over here, J Really SoFG asked, I asked a bunch of questions during this live stream, but I want more. What earbuds have the most secure fit for working out and are good for bass hits? I have to have good bass when I'm working out to get me pumped up. Okay, provided that you're not referring specifically to true wireless earbuds, there are a couple of brands that come to mind. Bose and Jaybird. In fact, the Bose HousPop 3 has some of the best silicone stability fins that I've ever tried in a pair of earbuds. Stays very well in your ears, great bass performance, great water resistance. I can say the same for the Jaybird Terra Pro, but if you're looking for a pair of truly wireless earbuds, then scratch the Bose and the Jaybird and perhaps consider the up-and-coming Powerbeats Pro. Next month is going to be released. I truly believe that this will be one of the most popular workout earbuds out there because of its ear hook design. You can't get any more stable than that. In terms of bass performance, I mean, Beats is pretty much known for that, right? So yeah, I think this is a great place to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, hit me up in the comment section below. Show me what you got and I'll respond to some of your comments or questions in my next Q&A video. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron's Wireless. If you like this video, please punch that like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week. My next video, I will be talking about 3 alternatives to the Powerbeats Pro that you can buy right now. So if you want to watch that video, remember to subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.